Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will do brief but comprehensive overview of major world security events explained by region. Okay, this is very useful for current affairs, UPSC, SSC, defense and general awareness. Okay, let's begin. Okay, mm, here global security. Next. Regional focus areas. Okay, first we discuss about Europe and Eastern Europe conflicts and Asia Indo-Pacific conflicts, and third one is Middle East Africa conflict and America conflict and global and conflicts. Okay, first Europe and Eastern Europe. Okay, war and political tensions. Okay, Europe faces its most serious security crisis since World War II. The Russia-Ukraine war continues with devastating consequences for regional stability and global supply chains. Okay, here active combat operation, NATO response, and domestic political challenges. Here active combat operation, ongoing missile strikes, drone attacks, and deliberate targeting of energy and infrastructure during winter months, creating humanitarian emergency and economic disruption. Okay. Next is NATO response. Here NATO response is Western nations increase military aid packages to Ukraine, while Russia issues warning against deeper involvement, raising escalation risk. Third one is domestic politic challenges. Raising influence of far right movement across European nations complicates unified security policy and defense cooperation frameworks. Okay. Our next topic is Asia and Indo-Pacific, the world hottest flashpoint. Okay, China-Taiwan crisis. Beijing conduct increasingly aggressive military drills around Taiwan involving air force incursions and naval exercises. Potential conflict threatens like global semiconductor supply chains and major international shipping lanes and regional alliance and US commitments. Okay, our next topic is Middle East and Africa. Okay, Middle East and Africa persistent conflict zones. Okay, here Middle Eastern complexities, ongoing conflicts. Okay, ongoing conflicts driven by sector division, resource competition, and great power involvement, oil reserves and strategic trade. Ensure continued international engagement and diplomatic maneuvering. Okay. Next is Sahel military cooperation. West African nations from joint military task force to combat Islamist insurgents, cross-border terrorism, and organized crime works. Military corps and weak governance structure complicate counter-terrorism efforts. And third topic, humanitarian impact. Conflict displaced millions of civilians and creating refugee crisis and straining regional resources. Food insecurity and healthcare access remains critical concerns across affected populations. Okay, our next topic, America's strategic partnership and internal security. Here, the United States maintain its role as a global security grantor. Those extensive alliance network in Europe and Asia Pacific. Domestically, America's security priorities focus on border management and immigration control and cybersecurity infrastructure protection and counter narcotics operation and critical infrastructure resilience. Regional regional cooperation across the America addresses migration flows, transnational crime, and emerging cyber threats through bilateral and multilateral frameworks. Our last topic and main topic, the cyber dimensions. Okay, modern warfare new frontier, rising cyber attacks like state and non-state actors targeting banking systems and electrical grids and government databases and defense networks. Ransomware attacks distributes essential service and extract economic cost. Next topic, disinformation campaigns. Social media manipulation and coordinate information warfare, influence elections, public opinions, and social cohesion. Okay. Attribution challenge, complicate response and strategies, and critical infrastructure vulnerability. Interconnected systems created cascading failure risk. Water treatment plants, transportation networks, and communication systems face present digital threats requiring constant vigilance. Sorry. And hybrid warfare. Okay, burning the lines of conflict. Okay, first is economic pressure, second is proxy forces, third is information operations, fourth is cyber operations. Contemporary security threats combine conventional military forces and with non-traditional methods, creating complex challenges for defense planners and policymakers. First is economic pressure. Sanctions and trade restrictions and financial manipulation serve strategics objective without direct military engagement. Second is information operations. Propaganda, fake news, and psychological operations shape narrative and undermine adversary credibility. Third is proxy forces. Non-state actors and surrogate groups provide deniability while advancing strategic interest in contest region. Fourth is cybersecurity operations. Digital attacks disable systems, steal intelligence, and creating chaos below the threshold of armed conflicts. Okay. Next is global counter-terrorism. Okay, an ongoing challenge. Okay, it's a despite significant process, terrorist network adapt and evolve. International cooperation remains essential for intelligence sharing across borders, distributing financing networks, and preventing radicalization and coordinating military operations. Regional instability and weak governance create safe havens where extremist organizations reconstitute and plan attacks against civilians population worldwide. Okay, here is the last and but not least. Okay, key takeaways and internet security environment. Europe active warfare and NATO alliance tension shapes continental security architecture. Second is Asia and Pacific. Military drills, nuclear threats, and political unrest create violent conditions. And Middle East and Africa, terrorism and fragile states and resource conflicts drive regional instability. And fourth is America's strategic security partnership with the cyber infrastructure protection priorities. And final, global trends. Here cyber warfare and hybrid threats define 21st century security landscape. Understanding these interconnect regional dynamic provides essential texts for analyzing international relations, preparing for competitive examination, and engaging as informed global citizens. Okay, that's it for today, guys, and subscribe for more videos. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. signing off. Goodbye.